Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves KDE Plasma but always felt like it needed a bit more polish straight out of the box, then I might have found your new favorite Linux distribution. It's called Aurora, the KDE version of Bluefin, built on Fedora's Atomic Foundation. After spending time with it, I honestly believe it might be the most polished Linux desktop experience available right now. So, what exactly is Aurora? Aurora is the KDE Plasma sibling of Bluefin, which is the GNOME-based version. Both are part of the Universal Blue project and are built on top of Fedora Atomic. Specifically, Aurora is based on Fedora Kinoite. But while the official Kinoite is already good, Aurora takes it to the next level by fixing all the small annoyances and paper cuts that most users usually face. Right from the first boot, the out-of-the-box experience feels excellent. Multimedia codecs are pre-installed, so you don't have to mess with RPM Fusion on day one. GPU drivers for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel are already set up and ready to go. Many of the common KDE tweaks that people usually apply manually are already done for you. This is a big deal because one of the main complaints about atomic distros is that they often feel too minimal. Aurora doesn't feel minimal, it feels refined and complete because it's built on an immutable atomic base. The system is incredibly stable. Updates happen in the background and you simply reboot when you're ready. No more waiting around while updates install before you can shut down your PC. What makes Aurora even more exciting is its flexibility as part of the Universal Blue family. You can rebase to any other Universal Blue distro with just a single command. That means you can use Aurora as your clean, productive, daily driver during the week, then switch to Bazzite, the gaming-focused version, on the weekends and switch back whenever you want. All your files and settings stay intact. It's one of the most powerful features in the Linux desktop space right now. So who is Aurora perfect for? It's ideal for KDE fans who want something more polished than vanilla Kinoite. It's great for users who want the stability of an immutable system without having to fight with it. If you're tired of traditional package manager issues and constant tweaking, Aurora offers a clean, modern, and reliable experience. Overall, Aurora takes everything I already loved about Fedora Kinoite and makes it significantly more approachable and enjoyable. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it just makes the wheel smoother and more comfortable to use every day. If you're curious about trying it, the link to the official Aurora website is in the description. I highly recommend testing it in a virtual machine or on spare hardware. Let me know in the comments, would you switch to an atomic KDE distro like Aurora? Are you team Immutable or do you still prefer traditional distros? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more Linux content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.